Okay, can I be honest? Okay, so you know, about all these things that people are talking about, the whole like alien strange sound things that people, I don't know, like they could be coming from the sky, like big machines or something, or behind the mountains, like they could be like big giant animals gathering up together or something, making weird noises, and it echoes. Echo, echo, echo. What do you think they are? Like, I'm hearing about the whole alien thing all the time. I'm starting to believe it because aliens are real. Like, we're aliens to them, probably. Well, we are, so I don't know what to say about that. What if they're just saying it to scare you? Like, or maybe they are true. We could be dead soon. Or make friends with them. It's not like the movies, how like you could pretend to shake their hands and they could kill you instantly right there. Or kick you in the balls to say hello. It could be different. You can't judge them before you know them. That's all I can say. Did you know when you count to 5, you just get to 5? These could be fake actually, because like I noticed how on the videos everywhere when they make videos, they came out right. But when the person that's videotaping the whole scene, nobody else is reacting to it. And like there's a one video when the guy's like walking by while that guy's videotaping, there's no reaction to it. Plus, there was a video that a guy was, let's just say no one was reacting to it. Spaghetti! No people going outside wondering what the hell is happening in the sky. Except the person is videotaping. Plus the sound sounds exactly like one movie, I have no idea what it's called. But the exact same sound. If you listen to it, think of the sound, try, good luck with that. Every video on YouTube, they keep taking the same sound and looking outside saying, whoa, what is that? Ooh, what is that? What is that? But no, they just keep recording that and taking that sound and putting it onto their movie maker thing. If you like Justin Bieber, listen to him and smile and not frown. And putting them on YouTube, their cameras, telling other people around everywhere, like massively, like it happened here where I live. I'm not saying where because that's just really creepy, but it never happened. I never heard one thing, seen anything, because no one saw anything anyways, because it's not real. But these are just lies, so don't listen to them. Don't freak out. Stay calm. Stay calm. It's not real, people. It's not real. Scientists are saying that they could be plates moving, since I've been doing for the past thousands of years, but I don't really realize it. So it could be that. It's making really big noises, so caution that. So stay calm, people. Stay calm. Or maybe it's just 2012, because everyone's saying it's gonna like big wave come. Fishy! Or volcanoes will explode, or everything will fall randomly, or the middle of the earth would, you don't know, spread apart, separate, anything, fall apart. But yeah, right, it won't happen. Or like Wall-E, what he says, he helped the earth, he found a plant. So stop polluting the earth. Pollution, yeah, that's the word. But cars, gas, planes, trains, that rhymed. Ooh. But still, everything is killing this earth that we do. But we're human. We're living life. It could be the 7 trumpets. First, things happened. Second, more things happened. Third, something about a fire. And more waves. dot 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 dot. I don't even know things about it, but I know the Seven Trumpets is really bad. Angels Falling, everything. So this could be one of them. Never know. You wanna change the world.
We are not the same. I am a mark.
It never happened. Never seen anything. I got witnesses. Yeah.